capability, and a 13.4-inch touchscreen, up to with a tri-motor all-wheel drive, 500 plus miles on a full charge, futuristic exoskeleton made of ultra-hard stainless steel with bulletproof glass, 664 horsepower with a dual-motor all-wheel drive system, 400 miles per charge, 17-inch diagonal touchscreen, Super Cruise for hands-free driving, and advanced safety features. 600 horsepower with a 4-motor all-wheel drive system, 250 miles on a full charge, advanced safety features and fleet management tools for businesses. Up to 906 horsepower with a hydrogen fuel cell, electric hybrid system, 600 miles with both hydrogen and electric power. Bold, muscular design with a focus on off-road performance and utility. 300 horsepower with electric powertrain. 350 miles on a full charge, a compact yet rugged design that features a system in the truck bed. The electric truck market is benefiting from an expansion of, ensuring that even electric trucks can be charged quickly on the go. Modern electric pickups are offering, and the power needed for tough jobs, while still being environmentally conscious. As electric trucks continue to evolve, 2025 is shaping up to be a year where and go hand in hand. These trucks are not just alternatives, they are setting new standards for the future of driving. The electric sedan market in 2025 is packed with innovation, offering an exciting combination of speed, luxury, and sustainability. With each new model, the electric vehicle industry is becoming more practical, performance-oriented, and eco-friendly.